Alright guys, so far I've got, I want to get this wing up a little closer I think. Together, power, I just need to put the control horns and stuff like that on there, and then all the other buzzers, the belt, the trims, the guns, the things like that there. I've ruled out doing the EDF light set because it was only rated for 2S or 2 through 4S, and this is a 6S model, so it wasn't going to handle the voltage. It's alright, we'll save it for another model. I've got some 4S jets that it could go on, but we'll find another lighting system probably for this thing. I might even end up going with those high power 3-watt Crees that I like so much. But in the meantime, we got the sound system that's still got to go on here. I've still got to do the landing gear. Still want to get it all together, make sure everything works before I put all the upgrades on it and the sound system and stuff like that in there. But if you guys want to hear it real quick, I can fire it up for you. Grab my radio. Sounds pretty cool, guys. I think you're going to like this. Of course, I put the battery in backward, didn't I? No, I didn't. That's fine. Okay, again, nice. I love the fact that it's got a magnetic nose cone, guys, because you can do this. You know, you can turn it up on end and do things to it if you have to. Let's check the gear here real quick. The gear works pretty nice. I think it's going to look a lot nicer and function better probably with the real nice suspension on those retracts, by the way. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, all the servos and everything work. You've got the tail rudder up here, that one works too. But right now I need to get that wing just a little tighter in there, and I'm going to reseat the screw. So we'll do that in a couple minutes here, but I figured I'd let you get a sneak peek of how this thing's going to sound. Okay, so check this out. I do believe it will go vertical. This thing's pushing me, but yeah. I think we got ourselves some greased lightning here, guys. It's going to be a pretty cool plane. We'll try not to have to rebuild this one 5 times like I did the other one. I've gotten a little better, and I think this thing's going to be actually a little bit easier to fly the way it's set up. Control surfaces are still wide, but they're not all the way out to the ends, and I just think I feel more comfortable with this. I think it's going to be a sweet flyer. A little bigger too, definitely. What I'll do when I'm done with this thing is I'll get the other model out here. You guys get to see them side by side. Okay, thanks for watching. This is the end of part 2, and the rest of the parts will be piecing it together, and then the finalized, I'm not sure how many parts there's going to be. But so far so good, right guys? Thanks for watching. Okay, Garmin.